Explore diverse character archetypes, from initial concept to final illustration. Hey there, I'm Illustrator Yunny. Let's level up your character creation workflow to amplify your visual storytelling. Let's start with efficient design choices. We'll create a fully fleshed out character sheet to reveal your OC's personality and character. Next, we'll go through the step-by-step process, from referencing and thumbnailing to polished rendering, to create character designs and illustrations in detail. Finalize your art with backgrounds and props. We'll dive into composition techniques to make your character fit in their own illustrated world. Let's create narrative-driven illustrations that exude personality and balance. I'm Yunny, an illustrator, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.